Welcome to my channel. WBE750 WiFi7 Access Point Setup. Welcome to our setup guide for the WBE750 WiFi7 Access Point. In this video, we'll walk you through the entire setup process to get your network up and running quickly. Let's start by unboxing the WBE750. Inside the box, you'll find the access point, a power adapter, mounting hardware, and an Ethernet cable. Next, find a central location to position your access point. Ideally, place it away from large metal objects and electronic devices to reduce interference. Now, connect the power adapter to the access point and plug it into an electrical outlet. Use the provided Ethernet cable to connect the access point to your router or network switch. If your access point supports power over Ethernet, connect it to a PoE switch instead. To configure your access point, you'll need to access its web interface. Find the IP address assigned to the access point by checking your router's DHCP client list or using a network scanning tool. Enter this IP address into your web browser to access the setup page. Log in using the default username and password, which you can find in the manual or on a label on the access point. For security, make sure to change these credentials after your initial login. Check for firmware updates in the setup interface. Keeping your firmware up to date ensures you have the latest features and security patches. Finally, ensure your network is secure by changing the default admin credentials and saving a backup of your configuration settings. And that's it. Your WBE750 WiFi7 access point is now set up and ready to provide fast, reliable Wi-Fi. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to consult the manual or reach out to technical support. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech guides.